Pose first today, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? And we are in the laboratory, science lab of Anupam Vidyasagar. And grade 10 students, they are here for doing some sort of experiment. Actually, last time I just showed you the different apparatus of physics, chemistry and biology, right? And in my hand here are two devices. Do you know what are they? These are spirit lamps. What do you call them? Spirit lamps. Why are they called spirit lamp? Because spirit is used here. What is used? Spirit is used. Can you hear?
Yes.
Here is spirit. So we can pour spirit here. I'll show you how to pour also, right? To pour the spirit, I have reminded many times. Here is the spirit. Can you see spirit?
Yes.
Okay, spirit is here. And we need one funnel. What is needed? Funnel. So this is called crystal funnel. What is next? Crystal funnel. Actually, it is very long. So somebody might have already ordered that one. Good. We can use this one. So while doing experiment, it's better to use this one. Oh. So next time we'll manage the globe also. Because if globe is used, then. But today actually we may not need also, but also one in one hand, let's use it.
Okay.
Isn't it? One in one hand. And this is the stylish one. Ghost day. Panja. So this is the way to heal spirit. Now it is quite small, you can take it out, see? It burns. Okay, yeah, right? It can burn. So what is here? It contains rectified spirit, ethanol 90%. How much is here? 90% ethanol. 10% spirit, little bit. That methyl alcohol. What is that? Methyl alcohol. 90% ethyl, 10% methyl. What happened? Here is little bit, so I just wanted to show you how to feel this one, right? But we should put more over here because it is highly volatile, it becomes vapor very quickly, right? You can smell, how is it? Another smell, so the smell is like that of wood, right? Yes sir? Yeah?
Lucky. So yeah.
Alright, so first of all, where the cap? Where the cap? Oh! Yeah, that was confused with it.
What's the man?
Okay. Yeah, look at the ingredient here, right? Actually, ethyl alcohol or ethanol is alcohol that is found in booze also, Roxy also, right? So that booze or Roxy, it contains 30% alcohol. How much? 30%. But whiskey contains 50% alcohol. Beer contains very less. Beer contains 6% alcohol. But when I had gone to Sikkim, I found next beer, there was 12% alcohol. They kept how much? 12% alcohol. But in Nepal, 6% only. Now students, I am going to guide you how to do this. Actually, our experiment is based on how to make delivery tube. How to make delivery tube. Do you know where is the delivery tube used? While preparing gases. Nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, isn't it? Carbon dioxide or ammonia. For each gas preparation, we need delivery tube. So delivery tube is made by bending glass tube. What is it called? Glass tube. It is very soft. You can just feel just that. So at the center there is hole. In glass rod there is no hole. In glass tube there is hole. This is glass tube. So at first I will just show it. And one boy, one girl. One boy, one girl. They will come, and when boys and girls turn is over, then boys they will. So experiments must be done with care. Understood or not? Okay. So I think I forgot to manage this glue. Glue is essential. Every time we have to use glue. Okay. Now let me begin. So listen. I will just teach you to bend either our side or next side, isn't it? Okay. So we have to be very careful. And if it is broken, then also no problem. You are practicing. Don't get panic. This is for breaking. Breaking means for learning, no. Sometimes while doing it may break and no need to be upset because you might have waited more time or you might have applied more force, that's why. Without doing some sort of mistake, how can you learn? But it doesn't mean that also less room and we will learn like that. That's not the way, isn't it? Okay. Sincerity counts, eh? Ready? Now, let me switch this. Spirit lamp is burning. Oh. Listen now. In which side should I bend? My side or your side? My side. So listen. When we hit anything, what happens? It gains heat, right? The molecules vibrate more, and slowly it can be bent. Take it there. So I'm just rotating this one. Slowly, no need to do more. See here. Hit it little bit. Now hit only one place, and slowly. Now, still it's not bent. It hasn't become a bit loose. It has become loose. When it becomes loose, make it like this. But don't touch this one, okay? Because here is very high temperature. Got the idea? Simply what to do? Slowly, you hit it and bend. Okay? Now, one boy and one girl, you can come. Come one by one. Wait, come quickly. My girl is coming here. Come. Why are they worried? Why you are thinking something? You lucky come. Or who is this time? You need this come. Why not? So this is the time to learn. Hey. You come quickly. Susan. Come this side. One is here. Now let's see how they do. You bend in this side. Okay, yeah. So don't just take little bit portion only. Yeah, just okay. Other side. Ready? Yes. Now let's do. You have to find out when it has become a little bit lengthy and when to apply force and how much force should be applied. If I apply more force, then it became very a bit less. Yes, see, it became more. You can bend more. That's great, right? See, you bend that side, isn't it? Means outside. Now, okay, please, you go. Next, who wants to do? Boy, come here. Boy, one. Lucky is coming. Okay, yes. Okay, now how is it doing? No. Let them do. You bend that side, okay, Baba? Because in different way, yes, good. Now next, whose turn? You come here. Yeah, girls come here. Because when girls' turn is over, then boys, they can do both sides. No, slowly, no, let him do. Let him practice. See, it became okay or not? So this is the way to bend glass tube. Wait, come one by one. Come one by one and do it. No, just take little bit place and do it, otherwise the other face also must do. So today we are just learning how to bend the glass tube, and later on we will make delivery tube. Is it okay? All right, good. Next. But don't touch in that hot person, okay? So it will create problem. Good. Now next, so let's see what will be the shape of this straight glass tube at the end of the start. In this hand,
He's expert.
let him do.
Oh my.
So, okay.
You can do again.
No, I just said you. No need to panic. Why did it break? Why did it break? You applied more heat. More heat means there was more conversion of solid into liquid and it bent. So will you try next one? No problem. This is the way of learning. It doesn't mean that so next time you may not do that mistake. Already bent here. See it already? Completed. Please. Okay, next come here. No, I knew. So it would be broken. When I was doing in my college lab life also, I was breaking. No, let him try. When to apply force, we have to find out. Side of them is better.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Now you became okay. He became a bit more, eh?
Excuse me, sir. Only this glass can be painted against also.
Very good question. Actually, I mean to say, listen, we have learned recently the chapter materials used in daily life, right? And the homogeneous mixture of silicates of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals is glass. Do you know the different type of glasses? Quartz glass, water glass, soft glass, hard glass, lead crystal glass, borosilicate glass, and colored glass. So this glass is soft glass. Soft glass is very soft. Soft means its melting point is low. Its melting point is low. That's why it can be. Its melting point is low. That's why it can be. What can be done? Melt easily, right? So you have asked me. Now I will just do. She also did her mistake, isn't it? Why? She might have been eaten it for a long time. So do another exercise. Next one. You can do like this. You can do like this also. If it is hard, no problem. You can do here. See, slowly you can do. Or you can take that one. All right. So here is another glass tube. It is quite thicker. Yes, sir. So next step we will bend this one. Come. Okay, he wants to do this one. Another, let me say here. Keep hearing. All right, that was quite this one. Let's see. Now these two strong boys are going to bend this one. You just check how much time it took for bending this Fuche glass tube. Now how much time does it take for this body glass tube? What does it show? It shows that their melting point is high. Their melting point is low. Thin means it changes into molten state very quickly. Thick, makes some sense. It's bending. Great job.
Oh.
Yes. See? So in comparison to this one, it is more this one. Now another, everybody has done? Bhujan, you also bend this one, this side, right? Okay, and if later on it can be used for, yes, you come on.
That can be this side.
Yes, so Dilip also has bend the glass tube.
Okay.
But this glass tube has more thickness. Yes or no? Now who is left?
Can we make same like previous?
Which one?
That.
Okay, his question is, can we same like previous? Please come and check. Because science students must do experiment. Isn't it? So he asked one question, let him do, then you do. There you go. Because his question was there, no? Listen, you have bent this outside. You have to bend that their side, whether it will be or not. Check. Reversible, isn't it? Very good. But I told you, and so I told
You too, bending to that side.
temperature the high. What to do? Okay, who's left now? So what is the answer now? Tell me. Your his question was, can you make it like original or not? What is your opinion? We cannot. No. First let him explain why we cannot. Because what happened? Okay, now another will do then only. Okay, so it is in bent position. Now Lucky the Great. Lucky the Great, he wants to make straight. Let him try. More or less is possible. What is it? What are you?
Bending. Broken.
So you broke. How did you break? Without bending or after bending? After bending means he might have applied more force. Now let him try. Now we left. Raj, have you come? What else? Come one by one. So this is your time to do the experiment, not mine. So next broken, no. Why it's quite difficult. Yesterday we discussed one thing. Glass is called super cooled liquid. What is it called?
Super cool.
Molecules move slowly downwards, right? So when it is heated, molecules they move, and again it's difficult to get in same position. Okay. Well, what are you doing? You have to bend that one? Yes, right? So for that, you can keep in one place and then bend slowly, right? No need to rotate, right? Just keep in one and little, and when it becomes a bit soft, bend it, finish. No, let it be a bit, yeah, let it get its melting point. means less than melting point. Then yeah. You just rotate slowly, up, down, yes, up, down only. Then when it becomes, now it's being. So when it starts, that is the technique. Look at it. Bend down. Yes. No. Can you make now the original place position? Let him try. How is done? You try. And one of you please bring one container to carry all these things. Or this bent one we can keep here, we can put other small pieces we have to do. If you catch like that, then I don't think that you will bend. What happened? That's why I just said. You can take this one. In middle you can bend. Come. What you come and do? Become. Come here.
What it is?
Don't. Yes, but actually it's not possible to get original shape.
Yes.
Does anybody want to try? Please come, otherwise now we will try out. What to do? Come. What do you want to do? You want to do the then big one? Sorry? Small one? Okay. What do you want to do? You want to make original position? Yeah? Okay, let me try. Pull or cube? Cube? Oh. You want to do it? Let's see.
You can take it bigger or big. It will be small. This always shape is. You can do that.
What is it? Planing? Hey. This does the hard portion? Lucky.
Should be also there.
Yes, okay. See, even in different place. Very dangerous, yeah. You made it hard, and then just little, like what, yeah? Okay. Now this is the way how to bend the glass. Got idea?
Yes, sir.
Now listen. So always what to do? Who brought this one? Dilip. You just come in there. And one of you, Dilip, bring one. What to say? This container. One plastic container can be taken. There is. Oh, it is very big. This bent one we can give.
That is very small.
And later on we can show to other students.
One you can keep.
It's too much hard, huh? Right? Now these are useless, so very less wasted material. Okay, let's go. And nothing is here, so nothing more.
Nothing. So this.
Yeah.